troublemaker in town.
Oh, we got more troublemakers here now?
My son Colin, this is his first year at the Face Off camp, and he absolutely had a blast and wanted me to know right away. Every day he's been thanking me, saying, are we going next year? He's just had an incredible time.
Face-offs and friends.
And doing the parent track, we've had a great group of people. I've learned more than I ever thought I would, and it was just an incredible experience.
What do you think of the camp so far?
It's really fun. Yeah, it's really fun, and we do a lot of stuff that definitely improves my face-off skills.
Pizza fans unite. Let's go over here, boys. Make some noise.
If I don't have enough of the ball and I lift this backhand without enough of it, will I ever get enough? No, right? And making sure that we're getting, right, Joe talked about that kind of 3 different planes, right? The plane going straight down over the ball, the plane going around, and the plane going across the line as well.
Certainly would recommend Face-Off Factory, but I think you're limiting yourself by saying it's only for people who do face-offs. Of course, it pulls a lot of FOSOs and FOGOs. My son's neither. He wants to be multi-purpose, and I think the coaches and the kids and the camaraderie all brings that up, and it's a little more intimate than a normal lacrosse camp. So I think overall, trying to grow the game, trying to create a passion with my son for the game, hit on all cylinders.
He went.
That was just a really neat brotherhood experience he didn't expect to get from it. And I think I would tell people, send your kids, because not only will they make great friends, they'll actually learn a ton too.
Dominate! Good work, boys. Nice job. Jack, nice job, man. See you, buddy.